Get busy, little fifth graders. 12 and 1/3 minus 10 and 2/9. You will not have to borrow on that one. It should be very easy. Get to work. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. First of all, as you know, you should have found the least common denominator. The least common denominator should have been 9. Remember, to find the least common denominator, you multiply until you find one that's the same. That's called finding the multiples. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 9 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9. Stop. That's how we got that. Now, new numerators. 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. This numerator is bigger than that numerator. Therefore, I may subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. My denominator stays the same. Now I got to ask myself the two questions. Is this an improper fraction? No. Is this in simplest form? It is. So now I can subtract my whole numbers. 12 minus 10 is 2, and there's your answer. 2 and 1/9. Now, this set of mixed numbers you will have to borrow. Do that now. Solve this problem. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. At least I hope you did good. All right. I have to find my least common denominator. For this one, it was 12. Easy. All right, finding my new numerator. 6 times 2 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. 12 times 1 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2. Now, I cannot subtract 2 minus 10. I must borrow. Go over to the whole number. Take 1 away. 6 minus 1 is 5. Now I'm going to move that 1 I just borrowed over here as a fraction and add it to this fraction that needs to go up. I'm going to use my denominator, 12, and I'm going to make it the numerator as well. And then I will add those two fractions. Sorry about that. 2 plus 12 is 14. And then my denominator stays the same. I'm going to bring this fraction over so I can subtract, so you can see. Now I can subtract. 14 is bigger than 10. So my denominator stays the same. 14 minus 10 is 4. Is this an improper fraction? No. Is this in simplest form? No, it is not. I must simplify. I got to find the factors. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. They have 1 the same, 2 the same, and 4 the same. 4 is the greatest common factor. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now I must subtract my whole numbers. 5 minus 4 is 1. So my answer is 1 and 1/3. Look at all that beautiful work. You can do it. And I hope you did it right then. And you're about to do another beautiful problem. This time, a whole number minus a mixed number. Let's see if you remember. Remember, you will have to borrow to solve this problem. Do this now. Pause video. All right, let's see how excellent you did. To to subtract a whole number and a mixed number, you must borrow. If you did not borrow, you got this problem wrong. I take 1 away from the 3, it becomes a 2, and I change that 1 I borrowed into a fraction by using the same denominator here. Now I can subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. The denominators stay the same. 2 minus 1 is 1. Is this in simplest form? Yes. Is this improper fraction? No. 1 1/4 is your answer. Easy. All right. Last one for today for practice and for review. 1/3 plus 1/4. Do that now. Pause video. All right. Let's see how good you did. Step number 1, find the least common denominator. In this case, 15. Step number 2, find the new numerators. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 3 is 3. Next step, add the two fractions. The denominator stays the same. 5 plus 3 is 8. Ask yourself the two beautiful questions. Is this an improper fraction? No. Is this in simplest form? Yes. So this is indeed the correct answer. 8/15. And the truth shall set you free. All right, little 5th graders, that is how it is done. Now you get on Google Classroom and get your assignment done.